Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the English Brain.
We're really happy you're here with us today because today's topic can change your real-life English conversations.
Today, we're talking about how to make small talk in English.
Those short, friendly conversations that happen at work, on the bus, at a party, or with neighbors.
If small talk makes you feel nervous or your mind goes blank, stay with us until the end.
Today, you'll learn 5 useful phrases for making small talk in English. Repeat after us and use them in real life.
Before we start, if you enjoy learning English with real conversations, please like this video now.
And subscribe to the English Brain so you don't miss our weekly podcast lessons. Your support really helps this channel grow and lets us make more episodes for you.
Let's start with a question. Why is small talk so difficult for English learners?
Many learners say, I know grammar, I know vocabulary, but I don't know how to start a conversation.
Or, I say hello, and then nothing.
The conversation dies after one sentence, and that feels bad.
The good news is you don't need many words for small talk.
You just need a few good phrases and a friendly attitude.
So in this episode, we'll show you 5 phrases and real examples.
And for each topic, we'll give you a powerful idea to remember, so you can feel more confident.
Let's go to our first topic for small talk.
This topic works with almost everyone. Your boss, your classmates, even a stranger in the elevator.
If you only use one kind of small talk in your life, let it be this one.
Because everybody has a day, and everybody likes to talk about it a little.
Our first topic is small talk about work and daily life.
Simple, safe, and very useful.
Here is phrase 1. How's your day going so far?
Meaning, you are asking about someone's day in a light, friendly way. Not too personal, not too serious.
Example, hey, how's your day going so far?
Let's put this in a short conversation at work.
Hey, how's your day going so far?
Not bad, just a little busy. What about you?
Same here. Lots of emails this morning.
Yeah, Mondays are always busy.
That's it. Short, friendly, and natural.
Okay, now repeat after us. Slowly, how's your day going so far?
How's your day going so far?
One more time. How's your day going so far?
Good. You can use this tomorrow at work or school. Now, let's go to the second topic.
This topic can save you when your mind is empty and you don't know what to say.
When you don't know what to say, just look at the sky.
Yes, the weather can rescue you from awkward silence in almost any situation.
Our second topic is small talk about the weather.
People love to complain or be happy about the weather.
Here is phrase 2. It's such a nice day today, isn't it?
Meaning, you make a friendly comment about the weather and invite the other person to agree.
Example, it's such a nice day today, isn't it?
Let's put this in a short conversation at a bus stop.
It's such a nice day today, isn't it?
Yes, it is. The sun feels really good after all that rain.
Yeah, I was tired of cloudy days.
Me too. I hope it stays like this for the weekend.
Very simple, very natural.
Now, repeat after us.
It's such a nice day today, isn't it?
It's such a nice day today, isn't it? One more time.
It's such a nice day today, isn't it?
Great job.
Now, let's move to our third topic.
This one is very powerful because people love talking about it.
If you want people to talk more, ask about their weekend.
Almost everyone has a little weekend story they're happy to share.
Our third topic is small talk about the weekend.
Past weekend or next weekend, both are great.
Here is phrase 3. Did you do anything nice over the weekend?
Meaning, you ask if they did something enjoyable, but you don't push for too many details.
Example, hi Anna, did you do anything nice over the weekend?
Let's listen to a short office conversation.
Hey, did you do anything nice over the weekend?
Yeah, I met some friends and we went out for dinner.
Oh, that sounds nice.
It was. I really needed a break. What about you?
I just stayed home and relaxed.
Sometimes that's the best weekend.
Okay, now repeat after us.
Did you do anything nice over the weekend?
Did you do anything nice over the weekend?
Excellent.
Now, the fourth topic is not really a topic.
It's more like a superpower for small talk.
This superpower lets you continue the conversation without thinking of new topics.
You use it after the other person tells you something.
Our fourth idea is reacting and keeping the conversation going.
When someone shares something, don't just say okay and stop.
Here is phrase 4. That sounds interesting.
Meaning, you show interest and keep the mood positive.
Example, I started a new hobby last month.
Oh, that sounds interesting. What hobby?
And after that, you can ask a small question. What hobby? Or really? How is it going? Let's make a small conversation. I started a new hobby last month.
Oh, that sounds interesting. What hobby?
I started learning how to play the guitar.
Nice. Did you always want to play guitar?
Yes, since I was a teenager.
That's great. I'd love to learn an instrument too.
Now, repeat after us.
That sounds interesting.
That sounds interesting. Great. Try to use this phrase whenever someone tells you something about their life. Our last topic is something many people forget to practice.
But it's just as important as starting a conversation.
If you can start small talk and end small talk politely, you'll feel much more confident.
You won't feel stuck, and you won't need to escape the conversation.
Our fifth topic is how to end small talk politely.
Here is phrase 5. It was nice talking to you.
Meaning, you enjoyed the conversation and now you want to finish it in a kind way.
You can add a reason, like, I should get back to work.
Example, it was nice talking to you. I should get back to work.
Let's hear a mini dialogue.
Well, I should get going. I have another meeting now.
Sure, no problem.
It was nice talking to you.
You too. Have a great day.
And that's a clean, friendly ending.
Okay, now repeat after us.
It was nice talking to you.
It was nice talking to you.
One more time. It was nice talking to you.
Perfect.
Now let's put all 5 phrases together in one natural conversation.
Listen and try to catch each phrase.
Hey, how's your day going so far?
Not bad, just a bit busy. What about you?
Same here, lots of emails this morning.
Yeah, it's such a nice day today, isn't it?
It is. I wish I could be outside instead of in the office.
Me too. By the way, did you do anything nice over the weekend?
Yeah, I went to the park with my family. We had a little picnic.
Oh, that sounds interesting.
It was really relaxing. The kids played and we enjoyed the weather.
That's great. I just stayed home and watched a movie.
Nice. Sometimes staying home is the best.
Well, I should get back to my desk.
Sure, it was nice talking to you.
You too. Have a good day.
Okay, quick recap. Today, you learned 5 useful phrases for small talk in English.
How's your day going so far? It's such a nice day today, isn't it? Did you do anything nice over the weekend? That sounds interesting. And it was nice talking to you.
Now it's your turn. In the comments, write a short small talk conversation using at least 2 of these phrases.
For example, write a mini dialogue at work, on the bus, or with a neighbor.
If this episode helped you feel more confident about small talk, please like this video right now.
And subscribe to the English Brain for more easy English podcast practice every week.
Your comment can help another learner who feels shy about small talk, so don't be afraid to share.
It was nice talking to you. See you in the next episode.